Welcome to Beautyistic, where beauty meets expertise. If you've been searching for a versatile eyeshadow palette that can give you everything from a subtle daytime look to a bold, dramatic evening style, you might want to stick around. Today, we're diving into the Revlon PhotoReady Eye Contour Kit in the Avant Garde shade. Whether you're a makeup enthusiast or just looking for a solid product to elevate your routine, this might be just what you need. Before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss a review. Now, let's get to the good stuff. This kit comes with 5 wet-dry eyeshadow shades designed to give you intense color while maintaining a smooth, soft feel. The key feature here is the ability to use the shades either wet or dry, allowing you to control the intensity of the color. Whether you're looking for a soft, everyday look or a bold, high-impact eye, the versatility of this palette can cater to both. It's compact and convenient, with the added bonus of step-by-step eye contouring instructions right on the back of the palette. These instructions are a thoughtful touch, offering guidance on creating the perfect eye shape, whether you're working with a round, almond, or hooded shape. It's a perfect feature for beginners or anyone who wants to perfect their eye makeup game. The palette also includes a double-ended applicator, which I found to be surprisingly effective. One side is a sponge tip for smooth application, and the other is a brush for blending. It offers great control, which is essential when working with highly pigmented eyeshadows. I'll be honest, I was skeptical at first about the quality of the applicator, but it definitely surpassed my expectations. When it comes to the real-world experience, I found these shadows to blend effortlessly on the eyelids. The texture is soft, and they don't feel dry or chalky, which can sometimes be the case with more affordable options. Applying the shades wet really amps up the intensity, giving a gorgeous high-shine finish, perfect for evenings or special events. On the other hand, using them dry creates a more subtle, natural look that's great for daily wear. Let's talk about the pros. First, the color payoff is fantastic, especially when used wet. The shades are rich, and there's little fallout. I also appreciate the versatility of the palette, offering you multiple looks with just one kit. The double-ended applicator is another win. It provides precision without the need to fuss over tools. Lastly, it's ophthalmologist tested, which adds peace of mind if you have sensitive eyes. As for the cons, I did find that the lighter shades were a little less pigmented when used dry, so you'll need to build them up a bit more if you're after that pop of color. Also, the compact size, while travel-friendly, might not be enough for those who prefer a wider selection of shades in one palette. When considering value for money, this palette comes in at an affordable price, especially given the quality of the product. The wet-dry formula is a great bonus, offering both versatility and intensity for different looks. It's a great option for those who don't want to spend a fortune on a high-end eyeshadow palette, but still want solid performance. If you're looking at alternatives, there are a few other drugstore options that compete well. Maybelline's City Mini palette offers a similar range of shades, but without the wet-dry feature. On the higher end, the Urban Decay Naked palette offers more shades and a similar level of quality, but at a higher price point. The build quality of the Revlon PhotoReady Eye Contour Kit is solid, with a sleek, compact design that fits easily into your makeup bag. I do wish the packaging was a bit sturdier, but for the price, it's reasonable. The shadows last well throughout the day when used with a good primer, but I wouldn't expect the same level of wear time as high-end formulas. If you're considering whether this palette is worth the price, I'd say it absolutely is, especially if you enjoy experimenting with different looks and need something that offers versatility. It's a great addition for anyone looking for quality on a budget. If you think this review has helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so others can find us too. And hey, if you're already itching to get your hands on it, the link is in the comments below. Finally, if you've tried this product, drop a comment and share your thoughts. I'd love to know how it worked for you. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.